This is Kefense the crown tail.
No.
He's a very pretty boy. Very scruffy looking because of his fins.
Why the freaking... Well, I don't know how the hell you got up there, but it's not going to let me. So I'm going down. Alright, cool. Where are you at? Huh? Oh, are you looking... Where'd you go?
Hi, Kefense.
How did I know you were going to say that?
Oh goodness, what is so upsetting?
I had a feeling.
In the lair.
Shut up.
Sneaky. Sneaky boy.
What the hell?